Let's quickly revise the slide of circumvallate papilla of the tongue. This is the circumvallate papilla of the tongue focused under 10x magnification. It is identified by the presence of a huge papilla which occupies the entire view, surrounded by a vellum or moat. These papilla are covered by the stratified squamous non-keratinized epithelium. The most conspicuous feature is presence of taste buds within the lateral wall. This is how we identify the slide as the circumvallate papilla of the tongue. Remember, this differs from fungiform papilla in being the base of the fungiform papilla is slightly narrow and the apex is slightly broader, almost looks like a mushroom. But here, the base and the apex are almost of the same width, and we have a typical groove called as moat or vellum, and there is presence of von Ebner's glands or serous glands which open into the base of the vellum. This is how we identify the slide of circumvallate papilla, and these should be your identification points.